Hey, this is Dwayne Mooney. I want to get right to it. This is the Wealth Portal. Wealth Portal is a success club. We specialize in passive investing and self improvement because we believe you must grow with your money. And what I want to do is go to this is on Forex Bots and third party platforms. Forex Bots you control, third party platforms are controlled by other people. And I just want to give a quick look at the bots real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. Uh, this is the hedgehog and the roboscalper bots. One is a hedge bot and one is a scalper. You see it in the name. 500,159 account, $120 drawdown. It's not bad because we had a big move, down move, uh, this morning. That if you're not proper lot size, you will blow your account. So this is good because it has a equity protector. It has a the news comes out. It stops trading during the news. So when you use the right lot size, it can be very productive for you. And I keep this one at low risk to low risk, mid risk. Right now, it's a low risk to mid risk. Sometimes I go mid risk. I may open up another window, but that will be at different times of the day. So, but right now I haven't been doing it, and I'm gonna tell you why, because I have another bot. But the hedgehog works on the Australian US, and the roboscalper works on the Euro US for best effects. And they all both also have stop losses. So it's real good. This particular two bots go for $997. You get one free because it's really a hedgehog, but you get the roboscalper for free. So I just want to go over that, what's going on because of what's going on in the market right now. So let me pull up this other one so you can see what I'm talking about. Let's see if I can get it up. And then we're going to go into the third party platforms. Now, Zoom. Let's get it up now. Okay. Now, this is the prosperity bot. This bot is, I like it because it's constantly making money. It's a little wilder, it doesn't have any news protection. It's a wilder bot. So I use this one for my wildness because I know it's going to get me in more trades and it's going to constantly make me money. This account started at 5,000 probably about 32 days, 33 days ago. And now it's uh, at $7,548. And it was a big drawdown this morning um, that hit where this account was over $1,000 drawdown. It was 1,300. Pretty much 1,300 on a 7,500 account is pretty, because 750, it's almost at 20%. 17, 18%. And you expect that on a low risk to mid risk uh, account. You see the drop here. If you look at the Euro US here, this is the drop that happened, right? Now it's came back up. So this account was at $1,000, but now it's only at $32 drawdown. $31 drawdown. It was $84 profit. It just has not closed yet. And it's as long as you keep it from low risk to mid risk. I suggest a regular person do it at low risk because it doesn't have the news filter that's going to protect you and not trade during the news. This will trade before the news, and right before the news, and during the news, and after the news. So it's the wild wild west with this one. So you got to know what you're doing and know what's going to happen. So it's down $31. It was up 84 like probably a half hour ago. And so it'll fluctuate and it will till it goes up. And it'll close probably. But this account has made over $248 today since this morning. Because even when it's in drawdown, it's constantly making money and getting in trades and closing trades. So this bot has been also called the source. I mean, the sauce, where this bot has been um, this bot has been upgraded, and the upgrading has been marvelous. So if you're in drawdown, you should be back and making money. And if you were in drawdown this morning, and it's effective. So this bot goes for $600. Told you I was going to raise the price. It goes for $600 now. And one-time fee, and we set it up and get you started and get you moving in the right direction with it. It's a wonderful bot. So, and I have it trading on the Euro US 30-minute chart and the British pound 30-minute chart. Okay. This is my Wild Wild West spot. Now, so that's that. So I wanted to go into a couple of accounts, third-party platforms. And let's pull up Oaksmart since I think this up first. I just pulled out some money out of this account today. And system resource may affect your audio quality. Let's go in here. The heck? Just getting my authenticator code. And what I like about this platform, I hope everybody sees it. Let me make sure. So I pull it back up. So I want to make sure everybody sees this because it's very important. And as you can see with this, they trade the stock market, forex market, crypto market. They do a combination. But what I like about it is I just pulled some money out. It was in my available. I had about 70 something dollars. I've been reinvesting, and it came to me within a couple of minutes. So that's fabulous. Uh, it's easy to fund. When I was going through it, when I was taking money out, the thing that I learned for withdrawal that since I'm getting paid in USDT or USDT, yeah, I have to really, why is it not flipping? I have to exchange it to, I mean, I'm getting paid in USD, the profits. I have to change it to USD USDT and then take it out. And for some reason, my computer's moving slow, but it's a good program. It's making money daily. And the good thing about it is that once you're making the money, you can take your profits and reinvest into another investment that's going to pay you even more money. Like the main investment pays you anywhere from 12 to 30% a month, and you get paid daily, 7 days a week. But the other investment pays you 20 to 50% a month, but you get paid in 30 days. So you can't pull that out early. You can only pull out your profits from your original spend. You can take that out daily. And you also have access to your principal daily. So I really like this platform. For some reason, my computer's moving slow, so I'm not going to get into how it works. That's on another video. Basically, you go to fund your management account, which for some reason it's not. It's not moving like I want it to move. But you go to your fund your management account, you fund it. Then once you fund it, you go to your open deposit. And once the money's there, it'll show up right here. You go to your open deposit and then you make your investment. Very easy to do. So I really like this one. I suggest everyone get in this ASAP for diversity. They take minimum of $500. You can use uh, USDT. You can use I don't know if you can use Bitcoin. I forgot asset, but it's a couple of other coins you can use. But again, mine is not working correctly right now. So let me go to the next one because we don't get caught up. Not trying to slow us down.
Hey, I didn't know. I don't know if you know they updated it to. I think you can get in at 100 now.
100?
Yeah, let me check really quick. Hold on.
Are you serious?
Yep, you can get in 100 now. It's 8 to 15% a month.
Oh, well, that's good. Okay, well, that's thank you, October 1st. Yeah. So yeah, you
Yep.
can do USDT. You can also do BTC, and you can do the Ether and the TRC20. But you can do BTC, the Ether, BNB, USDT, Sol, Litecoin, and Day. So I like it because you can use different coins. So that's hot. But you just gave some wonderful information.
Yeah, they just updated it.
Yeah. So now the other one I love, my other favorite. Now remember, these are third-party platforms. So I'm going to talk about and stay on, please. Don't go off because I'm going to talk. I want you to talk about the new company right after I do this one. While I have you, um, Trade Tech is another third-party platform that we love because I'm just okay. Here we go. Did Trade Tech come up?
Trage, yeah, I saw it.
What happened? Okay. So what I like about this one is that uh, it pays daily. Um, uh, mm, I'm still on what you just told me. That's exciting. Wow. Okay. $100. This one actually takes $100, but it's a slight catch to it. And it just makes it different, not better. It just makes it different. since the other one really just added the $100. This one already had $100. But with the $100, you get paid 4% a month, and it's like the more money you put in this one, the more money you make. And if you put in 500, you're gonna get 12% a month. You put in 1,000, you're gonna get 20% a month. And I'm at the $1,000 level with this one. Want to get to the 5,000, but at 1,000 too. I took out money out of my USD. I also moved money from my dividend and moved it to my USDT to pull out. But I have 1,000, and I can take my principal out. I have access to that on a daily basis, along with my profits. The compensation plan is great. It's wonderful. You can make a lot of money with it. In fact, this one really works with the builder because it has so many pluses when you start adding people in. And the more money you put in, the more money, the percentages go up. It's just nuts what you can make. Again, I don't want to get into it, but I'm just saying to fund it is very easy. You just go to wallet, you go to USDT, you get your link out here, you go, you deposit here, you get your link, put your money in, and once it shows up, you go to Arbitrage Wallet, and then you start funding. You deposit here and fund what you're going to fund, and then it takes about 24 hours and to get in, and then another 24 hours to trade. So it takes 48 hours for you to start seeing money. So it's a great, great, great program. Like you said, getting 20% a month. I love that a month. I love it. So that's this. So now I want to talk about the newer program, and I wish Daryl was on because he has the link. Um, the name of the program is, what's the actual address or link? Panther Exchange.
I'm not. Let me. I have to look at it. Hold on a minute.
I think it's Panther Exchange.
Yep, exchange with no E though.
Oh, no E.
No E.
Really?
XCHANG. Yeah.
Well,
Uh, PantherExchangeCrypto.com.
let me see if I can find it. Here it is. Iowa Panther Exchange. Okay, let me see if that's it. Well, this is how it looks. What I like about, somebody did a chat. Trade Panther Exchange Crypto. Oh, crypto.com. So
Dot
that's not
com. IO. That's not. That's something else.
okay. So okay, so I don't see. I'm not going to be able to get in because Daryl has the link. But what I like about this program, it's not a third party platform. I want to get that real clear. We have our third party platform. Can everybody see that login Panther Exchange?
It's still on the IO. I'm not sure if you
Okay,
changed it.
let me pull it up. Okay. So this program, which makes it so good, is that it is a third party platform, and this falls into our PAM slash copy trader programs. You know, PAM accounts are managed accounts being traded for you, Forex, and copy traders, it can be Forex, it can be cryptocurrency, and they're trading cryptocurrency. And what makes this so good is because you control your money. We love when you control your money programs to offset and hedge our third party platforms. And this is going to be our leading, let me say this again, our leading PAMM account slash copy trader program. Okay, this is going to be our feature. We love it. They've been averaging 30% a month. They take their percentage, we get our percentage, and they do all the work. They hold the money for a month because they want to make sure you're making money. And you can pull out your principal or profit at the end of the month. And they're going to have a coin. I don't know when it's going to be out, but it's going to be 10 cents a coin to get in. I suggest you get as much as you can because it's going to go up.
Actually, Dwayne, so we having a call on Thursday at 9 p.m. Eastern, and the the website for the coin I think should be out by Wednesday. Um, the coin is actually gonna start at half a cent. Uh,
What?
yeah, for members. So if you're looking to get in, I would get in, put some money in your account, and have it all verified before Wednesday, which is tomorrow.
I'm glad you
And
said that because I'll be ready. Uh,
yeah, and then he said that it should jump to 5 cent when it goes public. So that's a 10x jump.
oh my God. Okay.
Uh,
So I'm gonna jump on that. In fact, we're funding it today, our account today.
okay.
And I just got to make sure we're verified. I got to check with Daryl. But I like it because remember, this is a whole exchange. So they have staking on there. You can trade yourself, right? They have other things going on. They have the copy trader that we love. That's our favorite thing in it. But the coin, you can get the coin. And what I like about it is that we don't have to do anything. They're doing all the work. We're making all the money, right? We're making a lot of money and we're giving them their cut and we're getting our cut. And they have a great compensation plan. In fact, for Crypto King Jack, I mean, this is his main thing now. It's my main copy trader because I love third party. Like I tell people, there's a whole rule to third party platforms that you must stick by. And our rules. We have it listed in the wealth portal, our protocol dealing with third party platforms, so you can always be successful. However, you have to hedge with real. Well, let me not say real because a lot of the third parties are real. You just don't control the money. So you have to hedge it with control your money programs. That's how you stay in the money and continue to grow your ecosystem, your passive investment ecosystem. And it's fun. So you get your people like I have Naima's on. She's my the person that signed me up with Trade Tech. That's her main platform. Crypto King, his main program is Panther Exchange. So I like to work with the people who are committed to their system, and I'll get involved because my main thing is the prosperity bot and the hedge bot, and also the roboscopper. That's my main thing. So everybody has their main thing, but we all get to work together, right? As a team or as a think tank or as a group who basically have the same mission, but we do our own thing. It's almost like having a bunch of superheroes like the Avengers, and everybody has their own superpower dealing with these passive investments online. So everybody goes their way. We come together on a lot of projects and promote projects, and we do our own thing. So I think what we're doing online is wonderful. Now, none of us are about Ronald Perry is on. I think he has the prosperity bot going, but none of us are. What did you say? None of us are stuck in third party platforms. Uh, Jack's got real estate. Uh, he's got private investments. He's got Airbnb going. He's got a whole bunch of other stuff going that's passive. So he's got, oh, corporate credit. Come on, man. He's got the credit repair and the corporate credit that, you know, look, this is the whole thing. And he's our man through that. We get everybody with corporate credit, business funding with our system that we have now. Literally, we cannot lose. Our system is bulletproof. Okay. So we're looking forward to that coming too. So Panther Exchange, he just said it's going to be a 0.5%. That's what I was going to say. It's $25 a month too for Panther, and that's cool
That's
because after the
that's
first month they're going to take it out of the profit anyway, so it's not going to be like you even missing it.
yeah. So that's just for the copy trader. So I know some people not realize that it's an exchange, and like you said, there's other stuff on the exchange. Like I really like this feature. I haven't really got to use it yet, but I think it's definitely gonna come in handy. The peer-to-peer exchange.
Oh yeah, I heard about that this morning. Yeah.
Yeah, that's gonna be I think a big deal because now you know how you send money directly to people. You don't want the chance that that person changes their mind after you send them the money. But with Panther, they act as a intermediary where say you want to sell some crypto and you want to charge 1%, you could say, hey, well, I got USDT and I'm charging 3% and
Oh,
I
you
got a
get be able to
thousand
get
dollars
to
worth.
charge and make money on it too.
Well, you just tell them what your price is and then say I got 1,000 USDT for $1,030. That's what is that? That's 3%, right?
Wow.
Yeah, yeah, yes. So and then they wire or ACH you the money, and then once you receive the money, you hit the button on the exchange to say, okay, I got it. Um,
Man.
it's yeah, it's pretty. This a pretty big exchange for for not that many people to know about it yet, and
So
so they
what's
got a
going to
lot of stuff
happen
on
is
there.
that coin is really going to go up just with that
Oh
one
yeah,
feature.
because it's a utility coin. It's not a meme coin. And so
Wow.
you earn the token as you do stuff on the exchange. Also, I've got two of the tokens already.
You have two
Just
who?
two of the tokens already for making deposits. I
Oh,
got
really?
yeah,
Okay. So yeah. So and the deposit you can do with Bitcoin, right?
yeah. You can. It's a lot of crypto on there that you can deposit. They have a long list of crypto.
Okay, I'll
Um,
check that out once I'm in when I get with Daryl today because I was
you also earn crypto for people paying their 25 a month subscription to the copy trader too.
yeah, the 25 a month. Yeah, okay. I can do that in
Well, saying you
Bitcoin as
you
well.
earn on that. You earn the token when people pay that each month.
Oh, good.
Yeah, the the exchange is pretty extensive. He's been working on the exchange for he said 3 years now, I think. And
Yeah,
so he just got the licenses for it, and he's been up to New York and talked to the CFTC, so he knows what he can and can't do. It's pretty good.
I'm excited.
I
So
would
again, this
recommend
is
though.
our featured, and think about the way I think. This is our featured PAM slash copy trader uh, program. We have our bots, which are our featured bot is the prosperity bot right now because it's just kicking ass. But that's again for not the novice. And the other bots are Hedgehog and the Roboscopper is working great as well. And then we have our third party platforms going well. And we have our um, done for you staking and liquidity pools and yield farming done for you that's doing well. So we have a lot of things going on that are exciting. And this is the newest one, the Panther Exchange, and we look forward to that. And in fact, just so everybody know, my upline for Oaksmart is also uh, King Jack. So it's not like even though he's doing the exchange, he doesn't do other things. He's just excited, really super excited about this one. And I see why. And why I'm so excited is because we know it's real. So we know people who get nervous about third party platforms, they can sit on this one and just let it grow if they want to. And the only thing you're concerned about is if the trader is making good trades. But you know it's real. Okay. And the trader has a long track record and he does very well. So we're excited. And I wanted to check with Ronald. How's your prosperity bot doing?
Yes, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Yeah, that thing is running nicely.
Yeah. Did it go?
And
Yours go? Did you see that drawdown
yeah,
last
I
night
picked that
or
little
this morning?
drawdown. It's like $42 right now. It
Yeah.
was a little
Yeah.
higher earlier. It was about $100 earlier, but yeah,
Okay.
yeah, I'm getting a hard fractal down here on US on the British pound. So it's
Okay.
coming back.
Okay.
It
Cool.
bounced back on that, and the euro's not as strong, but it's kicked back.
Yeah, and it's constantly making money too.
Yeah, that thing actually, like that's what I started that thing last week. I started
Uh,
last Sunday, and it's over 200 already on the lowest
wow.
setting.
Wow.
Mm,
Good
It's
stuff.
like
Good stuff.
215, like on the lowest setting. That's the absolute lowest, the one we set it on. So
Good stuff. Good
yeah,
stuff. Good stuff.
if the hedgehog, I'm about to get, I might have to go get that too. But I want
Right.
to.
You might as well. Hey, hey,
I ain't gonna
look.
Bojangle
My
with you.
whole
I'm gonna
thing is
get
to
that.
have. I want 5 or 6 bots.
You ain't lying.
You
That
know,
joint was like I
I
said, if
got
it's
3
half
good
as
ones
good.
now.
hmm
I'm not
Yeah.
in no rush, but if I can have 5 of them, I'm like, I got a guy who has one that he turned me on to, and he was online talking about it, and he
hmm
was saying that he said it's a great bot, but you trade with with the signals. I'm
Okay.
like, well,
Okay.
how is it a bot if you trade with the
Trade with the
signal?
signal. Yeah, nah, you have to,
I'm like,
yeah, you got to manually put a trade in for that.
yeah, no. Well, what he
Yeah.
does? Well, I said, well, how do you do that? He said, well, what he does is like, and it was on the US 30. He said, what it
Uh-huh.
does is, so that's what I like. But he said, when the guy gives the trade or
hmm
gives the signal, you
hmm
turn on the bot.
Oh, okay. So the bot's already pre-configured,
Yeah,
and you
you
just
turn on the bot. He said, and the bot turns
oh,
itself off. I said, that's
oh,
cool, but
really?
that's still too much work for me.
Yeah, it's a little work, but
Because,
still, man, it's
but I said, but
okay.
I understand that. You know,
You
it's
can catch
just,
if you just scalp in the morning, you okay with most of the
yeah,
volatility is from like 9:30 to like 11 on that on those indexes. So
yeah.
you might
So
be
I
able
thought
to
that was interesting,
you
but
might
I'm
make
looking for more of a hands
you
off,
pass off, yeah. I mean,
and
that's
not
cool.
that it's like you putting me in too much in the game like that.
I mean,
So
I can deal with that. I
I
could deal
just
with that
hate
in the
waiting on
morning.
folks.
I could
I
do in
hate
the
waiting on
morning, but
signals.
yeah, I didn't like those either. That I don't like, but I
I
know
hate that.
if he gives a signal like I mean, it's hard to give a signal at specific time, like at the same time every day, because the market does what it do.
Yeah.
Um,
See, for me, it feels like a job. Now I'm waiting on you to make a
yeah,
move.
it would
So
be
don't I don't work well like that.
it would have been really nice if that bad boy could just automatic, you know?
Yeah,
Dang, last
exactly.
man.
I
On
said
the
I
indexes,
told him
holy
once you get
crap.
it automated,
hmm
let me know.
Yeah, I might get that too.
Yeah, let me
Yeah,
know.
but I was on the call last night anyway with Oaksmart, and they said, "Damn, who is this?" They said they did mention about the $100 and $100 just to get in. I
Yeah,
think
that's what
that's
uh
I didn't remember what that's not the trader. That's not the is that the trading one with the trader, or is that just some? Or is that the
King Jack would know.
yeah.
That's the Oaksmart. Oaksmart, you get 100. I think it was 100 to 499 is 8 to 15% a month.
I'm sorry, say it again.
So they have it's called the mini. If you go to make a deposit and where it says max at, you hit the drop down and it has a mini, and
Okay,
it's
yeah, yeah. Okay.
eight 8 to 15% a month. Between
Oh, okay,
100.
the 100. Okay, so okay,
So
I
the
got a cap.
18 to 15% a month,
8 to 15%. Okay,
but
cool.
that's not the same thing as the one with the we were talking about the 500 that does with the trader that pays 20, you pay them 25 a month, right? That's two
No,
different
no,
things.
that's different. That's
Okay.
different. Yeah,
Okay, so that's still
that's an
good.
exchange. Yeah.
That's still
So
a good one.
with this, it's probably gonna be higher than 30%, honestly. but you
Damn,
know, with
really?
regulations,
They
they
can't
can't say
say.
that.
Yeah,
They
yeah,
can't
no,
say,
yeah, they
oh, we're
can't
gonna
say,
make
hey, you
50,
guarantee
50%.
50%.
Yeah, they
That's what
can't
those
do that.
doggone, that's what all those scammers are doing a few years back. I guarantee you 30% a day. It was
Yeah,
like
no, they
30% a
can't do that.
day. What's
Wow.
like,
Plus,
I'll be a millionaire, nothing flat.
he's not day trading, so it's
Really?
a he's doing more of a swing type trade.
Okay.
He might trade like 4 to 5 times a month because he's watching the market the majority of the month. And he
Hmm.
said that is some big moves coming in Bitcoin in the
Oh
coming
yeah.
week. So he wants to get that account copy
You
trading
talking
up and
about the
going.
Panther now, right?
Panther,
Hmm.
yeah, Panther,
Yeah, he
Yeah.
wants
yeah,
to get that thing moving because I need if because that he's right. I think
yeah,
he's right about that Bitcoin.
yeah. He's
It looked
been
like
watching the. He
it,
said over the next 3 months he's looking at 210% at least, and so
damn,
that'll be at least 100% to us because it's a fifty
damn,
fifty split.
50 split. I was looking because I'm thinking about I was estimating about 85,000 on the price of Bitcoin in a couple up to.
Wow.
That's what I was. That's what it looked like, but I
Yeah.
don't know. I've made mistakes on these charts because I'm not the best thing. I'm not the best at that. So that's why I'm using. That's why I'm using a bot because I ain't the best.
I can't. I can't. I've tried the trading. I just can't.
I can get it to a
I'm.
point, but
I'm.
I don't like the timing part.
Yeah. I'm too
Like the
emotional.
options, I couldn't get into the options. I couldn't deal with the time because I just
Exactly.
want to get in. Like like the e-menus is cool because I can just get in for a few hours or a day and I can get out.
Yeah.
Like
I
that's why
can't.
I like the Forex. I can just get in. Once it hit the price, I'm done. I ain't gotta be thinking about what it's gonna be 30 days from now. I ain't trying to figure
Yeah.
all that out now.
I
And I'd be
just.
stressing, and you go and it'll go negative on you, be in a hole for 2 grand, you be sweating for like two
Yeah.
weeks and
I
stuff. I'm
can't
like, I
handle all
can't
that.
deal with that.
I can't handle
So
all that.
that's why I said the bot take the emotion out of it.
Yeah. So
I like it.
look at Panther
Thank you.
Exchange. Like I
I'm
said,
gonna
I'm
do that.
funding it today.
I mean,
We're
did you
going from
send?
there. Get that coin because I'm gonna load up on the coin. Get as much as I
And
can
that's that utility coin I think
because
y'all
that's gonna
mentioned.
blow up. And
Yeah, that's definitely gonna blow up over
if it's
time.
talking about going to 5 cents and so,
Yeah, they tend to
soon
jump
soon
like
as people
that.
see these trades and how well it's doing,
They're gonna
that's when
jump
that thing's
on.
just gonna go up and up and up and up and up and up.
Damn,
Yeah,
that's a crazy move from 5 cents. That's like what, 100 times
Yeah.
or something from like a
10,
penny.
But
half a
Oh,
penny.
remember, we are
It'll be
diverse.
10x.
We don't
It's
fall in love with not. We love them all, but we
yeah.
don't
yeah,
fall in love with nothing. Been there,
we just
done
love
that.
them. We just love them, but not fall in love with
We
them.
don't fall. We're
He
not.
said it's gonna go up pretty quick. I got a couple voice recordings of him talking about the token and what's gonna happen when it hits public.
Hmm.
And once the trader starts trading, they see results because the utility of it is they're giving the coin away in the exchange. So the utility of it is gonna people are gonna get it, and so that's what's
Hmm.
gonna drive it up over time.
Hmm. Mm-mm-mm. That
That's
sounds
why
good.
we
That's
love.
so. Hmm.
That's why we love these partnerships because they have so much
So I
great
have to.
information.
Yeah. So
Oh,
And
I gotta.
Delane, did
How
you
do I
watch that
sign up?
video?
How do I sign up for
yeah, we'll
this?
get you the link.
Shoot me the link. Yeah, shoot me a link
Yeah,
there,
I got. And
Dwayne.
we just go from there, man.
Yeah, Dwayne. Yeah, shoot me that link
We.
over there for your oak and the oak one too, whatever it is called,
Oh
Oaksmart.
yeah, you
Yeah,
got. I'll
and
send you that.
the Panther, so I can get that thing taken care of today.
Oh yeah.
Cause I need
Hey,
to, I got.
Delane, did you get to watch the video in the leader group?
Oh,
You talking to me?
Yeah.
No, I didn't watch it yet.
Oh man, you gotta watch that. I
Okay,
think
I will.
the longer video, I think you'll like what he's saying in that he has sovereignty over himself and like it's bro, you gotta watch that video.
I'll watch it. Oh, cool, cool.
mm,
Yep. I
I
think you'll be
gotta.
interesting
excited.
subject matter.
I gotta
Mm,
talk. I have a client in an
oh, shit.
hour hooking up their
Mhm.
prop account
Okay.
because
Oh,
I found a way to uh because all of them went to basic. They went off of MT4.
mhm,
Yeah.
So what you have to do is take like Plexy, which is an MT4 broker, and that's all. Forex and do use a copy trade, right? And let the Plexi hook up to the prop account through the copy trader. So that's what we're doing now. So they can use the bots on the prop accounts. So like I said, we got a lot of things going on. So, but as long as it's passive, I'm excited. If I got to sit up there and trade, I get
it.
See, what happens is it starts taking up all my time, and I'm thinking about it too much, and I don't like that. It drains me. So I like having. I can have 9,000 passive investments going because I don't have to do but spend a couple of seconds on each one of them. Okay, that's just the way my mind works. So it makes me money. And then, you know, with the third party platforms and even with this copy trader program, I get to sign people up and get them involved. So I'm super excited. So this session is officially over. I just want to thank everybody for coming on. And this is on YouTube. So peace and prosperity to everybody. This session is officially over.
All right. Thanks a lot.
And I'll get you that information.
Yeah, thanks, William. Appreciate it. Y'all have a good
Yeah,
one.
have a good day.
All right. Thanks.